If I'm correct, Sports KPI doesn't just cover football, it covers a multitude of sports in the Indian system. So, can you share what all leagues or clubs that you guys are associated with?
Yeah, so I think for us, we always said the major motto was to how do we bring sports and analytics to, how do we bring analytics and technology to sports, and how can we help teams win? That was one of the major mission which we started off with. And we never kept it to any specific sports. Yes, football was something which we started building the network and we had this right connect at the right time. It so happened in 2014, we were doing ISL. After ISL, I got a chance when Pro Kabaddi was starting off. So one of the person whom I met during the sports meet program, I told you, right,
Yeah.
in Christ University. So I met a person there, and he turned out to be the manager of one of the kabaddi teams. And he said, and also the physio whom I had actually worked with, BFC, happened to go and work with them as a physio for the kabaddi team as well. He said, I know some analyst who can do this for you, and they were looking at someone. And obviously, kabaddi was something which we didn't even know how to do about. What is the rules of the game? How is it going to be done? The rules were also changed for the pro kabaddi also. There were a few changes in the rules that also taken place. And he said, "Can you come and look at data? Can you collect it?" We said, "We're not going to pay you anything because the coaches didn't know really understand the stuff." I said, "Okay, no problem." So we got in some interns, volunteers, and said, these are the videos. I wanted to collect a lot of data. The first season, we kept on collecting information. Second season, it became like, okay, can we use this information? Third season, can you get me those videos in analysis perspective? So as we kept on growing, then we kept on meeting more coaches. And it so happened that in season 4 and 5, they said, why don't you come to and, help us out in auction and also being analyst over there. But I also like to really thankful for the team. Even they didn't give us money, but what happened was they allowed us to be part of the preseason. They took us all the, they said, okay, why don't you come to the preseason, spend some time with coaches, understand what they want. And I've seen many players at a very young age over there. And they said, no, so that gave us a chance to be there. And I always felt that's more like an investment which you do to understand, to be part of that industry.
And what was the difference actually when you moved from football to kabaddi? Because from an outsider's perspective, it seems like a sport that involves a lot of data for you to work with, right? So, can you share a little bit of what it's like?
See, first of all, I would say the main difference would be, let's say, uh, the awareness or the mindset. Okay, let's say for football, there are so much of content available online, or people watch what's been happening in EPL or European League. Indian coach can go to online and understand the analysis done by a Chelsea or a Arsenal or a Man U, right? Kabaddi, we are the best in India is the best. There's no content, there's nothing available. No one is doing anything outside, right? And coaches don't come from that kind of a typical background. So they have been coaching, they've been playing. Even the players themselves are not used to these kind of things before, right? And so that gets into a challenge that how do you explain this analysis for them, right? And also, what do we look at? So, and even analysis has evolved as the time. Previously, I would say we started off just getting the recording of the games, breaking the videos, providing it to the coaches was something to be done as an analyst. Okay. Now, an analyst needs to identify, know the game very well, identify the patterns, give his feedback, and then help him, the coach, to know much more better, a different kind of a out of the box thinking than typically just getting the videos, right? So even Kabaddi started off with this, but right now the every team has understand the game very well. The management knows the games a lot more, so they are able to comprehend the information much better. And that's how the Kabaddi has been really taken up. But yes, it was a challenge a lot because of the information was not being there. The people come from different backgrounds, and the entry point, the communication, how to convince them, those takes a lot of challenges for them to implement.
Yeah.